With a variety of cooking options available, this gourmet dual fuel range cooker from Belling is ideal for multitasking. With 3 available ovens, including 2 fanned ovens, a conventional oven and grill, there's plenty of space and flexibility to cook different meals at the same time. Perfect for busy families, preparing dinner is easier than ever. The 91 litre tall oven provides plenty of space, and with 25 shelf positions to choose from, you can cook numerous dishes simultaneously, ideal for batch baking or preparing the family roast dinner. The 4 kilowatt wok burner offers maximum heat that's perfect for making stir fries or when you need a burst of intense, powerful heat. Make your household happy by embracing your inner chef when you use this Belling Gourmet dual fuel range cooker.